Hi class, today's video will be about simplifying algebraic fractions, and the idea of simplifying algebraic fractions is to divide by common factor. So let's look at question 1D. 1D is 40 times x squared times y over 32 times x times y. We have to simplify the numbers first. What is 40 divided by 32? So let's use our calculator to give us the answer. 40 divided by 32 equals to 5 over 4. So we shall write 5 over 4 first and leave some blanks at the back. Another way to see without the calculator is to look at 40 and 32. What are the common factors we can divide it by? Both can be divided by 8. 40 divided by 8 equals to 5. 32 divided by 8 equals to 4. Hence, I will still get 5 over 4. So we'll do the same way for our algebra, which is x and y. I see there's an x squared and an x. Are there any common factors? Both can be divided by x. And that's the highest we can go. So x squared divided by x is just x. So I can actually remove the square. X squared divided by x equals to x. And x divided by x will just give me 1. So I cancel the x all together. What I'm left with is x at the top, the numerator. And lastly, you can look at y and y. Y divided by y just give me 1. So cancel both y's and there's nothing to add in my fraction. So the final answer is 5x over 4. We'll do the same way for question 2, except that for question 2, we cannot simplify until we factorize the top. So you can see 6x plus 8. I can factorize out 2 and I will find out what is in the bracket. Reason why I factorize out 2 is because 2 is the highest common factor of 6x and 8. So what's in the bracket? It will be 3x plus 4. Now that I have common factor in the top and the bottom, common factor is 2, I can cancel out the 2, which will give me 3x plus 4. Okay, and 3x plus 4 is in the bracket. So we are done with this question. Question 2b is very similar. Okay, I just need to factorize out the top again. 9x and negative 12. Okay, both have common factor 3, highest common factor. So we will find out what's in the bracket as well. When we factorize, we will get 3 times 3x minus 4. Denominator will still be a 3. So now I see that the top and the bottom have common factor 3 and 3. I can cancel them and then write the final answer, 3x minus 4. You may want to pause at this juncture before we move on to question 3 and 4, which are slightly more challenging. Now we move on to the question type 3 and 4. But we can actually use the same technique as we done with question 1 and 2. So you see for question A, x plus 6 times x plus 3 over x plus 3. Do I have common factors at the top and bottom? Yes, because common factor is x plus 3 and x plus 3. What I can do is cancel each other. And what I have left is x plus 6 in the numerator, so it's just x plus 6. Now on to question B. I see that it's x minus 1 times x plus 1 over x minus 1. Are there common factors at the top and bottom? Yes, common factors are here. So I can divide both by x minus 1. X minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1. Okay, bottom also. So what I have left is x plus 1 over 1, which gives me x plus 1. So essentially it's the same thing, except that now we are dealing with brackets. Now we go on to the last question, question 4, which is the challenging type of question. Can I do this? X squared, and I see x squared and x squared, so I cancel each other out? No, I can't do that, because I can only cancel when there's bracket or when there's times. I cannot cancel when there's a plus beside it, so I cannot do this. But what I can do is that I will factorize out the top and the bottom. Okay, and how we factorize? Box method. I shall not repeat what is box method. You may want to check out my other videos, but I will just show you how I'm going to write the brackets after I factorize them. So remember, when we do the box method, we have brackets times bracket, and then we fill out what's in the bracket. So I filled out what's in the bracket, and after this, I can start simplifying because there's brackets times bracket. And are there common factors in the numerator and denominator? Yes, both have x plus 1, x plus 1. So I can cancel them out. And what I've left is x plus 4 over x plus 3. So then we are done with this kind of question. For more practices and for explanation, you may want to check out this QR code and scan it for the answers. And we have come to the end of this video.